Well, we all know this pandemic is adding stress and isolation at home. So many of us working from home, probably helping the kids, doing school virtually as well. And of course, as I learned, especially today, it all depends on the internet.
It really does, Katie. Tonight, the data cap has expired from 2 internet providers. ABC 15's Nicole Grigg asking our state leaders if anyone is looking into helping you.
The Office of the State Superintendent tells me that they're starting to hear this issue as well, that families who depend on the internet for school are starting to get warnings that they're about to go over their data. As an example, this is my own bill going from $80 a month to $183 for going over the monthly data. I'm told this was a mistake as there was supposed to be a grace period.
Yeah, I feel very much like I've been taken advantage of just to a certain extent.
Mickey Siegel and his family all depending on their Cox internet. Earlier this month, he received a warning saying your household has used 75% of your data plan. In fear he'd go over, he upped his plan.
The bill previously was going to be about $111, and now it's $116, and it's gone up to about $171. So close to a 50% increase, which is just, yeah, a lot.
For 60 days, Cox waived data caps, basically giving families unlimited data from May 15th to July 15th. I checked with CenturyLink also, and they waived their data caps through August 1st. However, just before school started for thousands of students, both Cox and CenturyLink cut those unlimited data offers. They say most of their customers are not exceeding their data limits.
You can't let a generation of kids slip away and fall through the cracks because they don't have internet access at home. That's just not right, and we shouldn't let it happen in Arizona.
A digital divide putting families who cannot afford internet behind those who can. State Representative Aaron Lieberman voicing his concerns about the disadvantaged.
The governor has put a lot of our CARES Act money towards education, and there was a lot of it that was already directed there, particularly for our lower income schools. But the reality is our education system has been so underfunded for so long. Even with the recent increases, we're below where we were 10 years ago.
We asked Superintendent Kathy Hoffman's office if she has spoken with the governor on behalf of kids in the state about internet data caps and going over their data. They say they don't believe they've addressed this specific issue with the governor yet, but, quote, we have had ongoing discussions about bridging the digital divide with both the governor's office and our congressional delegation.
I would definitely be in support of anything we can do to help schools, many of which are covering costs. They're buying hotspots now. I think some of them are paying for the Cox to Compete program if they need to. So the schools are spending the money. We got to make sure that they're going to get the funds that they need to be able to cover those costs.
We reached out to the governor's office about these data caps, and they say that they appreciate us bringing attention to this issue and that they're looking into it. Reporting in Phoenix, Nicole Grigg, ABC 15, Arizona.